season, right? And it's also called rainy season. Now tell me, when we go out in the rain, what do we wear? We wear raincoats, gumboots, and also take umbrella. Okay. Then, when we go out, what do we see? Which creatures we see? Tell me, which creatures we see? Snail, then frog, earthworms, right? Do you want to learn about rain creatures? Yes? Okay, let's start. Kids, name some rain creatures. Earthworm, repeat after me. Earthworm. And snail. Repeat, snail. And which creatures is this? Frog. Yes, repeat, frog. Do you all want to listen the story? Yes? So, today I am going to say a story. The story is about rain creatures. Let's start. Children, the story is about rainy creatures. Harry was playing in the rain. Suddenly, he heard a sound. Oh! Who are you? I am Froggy, the frog. You can see me near pond and lake. I go hop, hop, hop. I come in rainy season. I am a rainy creature. Harry, would you like to meet my friends? Yes, Froggy, I will love to meet your friend. Snake, snake. No dear, I am not a snake. I am earthworm. I am also a rainy creature. I also call the farmer friend. Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Earthworm. Who is this? Can you tell me your name? I am Mr. Snail. What is that on your back, Mr. Snail? That is my snail shell. I live inside my shell, which is like my house. It protects me from danger. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Mr. Snail. Harry, did you enjoy meeting my friend? Yes, Mr. Froggy. I enjoyed meeting rainy creatures. Okay, Harry. Bye. Bye, friends.
Shanti Juniors.